Hi there, we're Success4All and we're going to show you a quick tutorial on how to make a quiz using the Google Forms software. So first you click on the plus sign to create a new form, and then you can give it a title by clicking on Untitled Form, and we're going to give it the title of Fake News. So when you click on the Untitled Form, it should come up as a fake news. You could add a form description, but we're not going to do that today. After that, you can go to settings and click on quizzes and click on make this a quiz and save that. After that, type your first question. So our first question is, have you heard of fake news? And next you can insert an image by clicking on the little image icon. And then you can either upload an image or search one. We're going to just search one. And then you can click on any image and press select. And the image should load up. And now you can adjust the size of the image by going to the right hand corner and making it smaller or bigger. After that, you need to type in your answers. After you type in your answers, you could add an image if you want, but it's fine, it's up to you. Then you click on the answer key and you can click on which answer you think is correct, and then you can allocate a point to it. So we're going to give it 1. After that, you can click done. And then to add another question, click the plus sign. And you can repeat the steps again to get your quiz going. So our next question could be like, do you like fake news? And then you can add your answers. And then you click on your answer key, click on which one you think is right and add a point to it. And then you can click done. After that, you can do a preview by clicking the eye icon and scroll down, and all your questions should appear. Click on the edit sign if you want to change it. After that, you can click send if you're happy with it, and you could email or link to share it. So the link is there. You can shorten the URL, and then you can copy it and send it to anyone you want to complete the quiz.